Hi there, this is Kokon from WP Bravo. In this tutorial, I will show you how to build a fantastic food blog website like this. If you don't know WordPress very well, don't worry, this tutorial will be 100% beginner friendly because I will explain every single detail step by step. Like, I will show you how to install WordPress, how to install premium theme from Theme Forest, what are my required plugins and how to install them. I'll show you how to customize the design, create mandatory pages, and finally I'll show you how to add recipe functionalities. I will help you to buy the best WordPress hosting. One important thing, you can hire me to build such a beautiful food blog website for free. Yes guys, you hear right. This will be 100% free. I will give a link in video description. I believe after watching this video, you can build your own food blog website. So without wasting any time, let's get started. What I need to start? To start a food blog, we need two things. Number one is a domain and number two is a hosting. What is a domain? Domain name is the address of your website that people type in the browser, like google.com. Google.com is a domain name. And what is a hosting? Web hosting is the place where all the files of your website lives. This is a domain name. And here are logos, text, images, all are files. Web host store those files. Before going to buy hosting, we should consider the best WordPress hosting, as we are going to build this website in WordPress CMS. So what is the best hosting service? There are lots of web hosting service, but Bluehost, DreamHost and SiteGround are the best of them. I have my domain and hosting. Let's install WordPress first. I will install WordPress in foodexcel.com for now. To do that, I will go to cpanel. I will add slash then cpanel cpanel to go to cpanel. I will log in there. In all cpanel, you should see such option, build a website there with a WordPress logo. If you don't see this option, scroll to down. There will be a lots of apps. WordPress is one of them. There has Joomla, Event Card, PHP and much more. I will install WordPress there. So I will click to WordPress. Now I will click to install. Then I have to select my domain. I'll select my foodexcel.com and I want to install WordPress in root directory. And this will be current version. Inside setting, there is a site name. That will my site name and a site description. I can change this area later. In admin account, there is admin username that you need to log into your WordPress backend, and that is password. I will give a username and I will give a strong password there, and there will be my admin email. I can select themes, but I will show you later how to do that. Now just click to install button. My installation process is complete. I can visit my website clicking this link. This is fresh installed WordPress site and it looks ugly. But don't worry, within few hours it will look fantastic. Later I can log into my website like that's it. It will redirect to foodexcel.com/wp-login.php, and there you need to put your username and there is your password. Then login. That's it. Now I will show you what I usually do in my fresh installed WordPress site. So I'm in my dashboard. I don't need to show this in my dashboard. This is unnecessary for me. So I will hide those. Site health, at a glance, activity, quick draft, WordPress event and news. Now it's look clean. In my plugins, I will delete all this. I will install my necessary plugins later and I will show you. This is a dashboard where you will work and this is the area where people will see. Now, if anyone type foodexcel.com, they can visit my site from anywhere of the world. First of all, let's build some pages. Those are mandatory. To create page, over to pages, then add new. I usually don't like to edit full screen, so I will click to three dot, then exit full screen. Let's create some page. Another page. I will add information there later. These are mandatory pages. Google wants to see this page in your website, so these are mandatory. I don't need this sample page. I will delete that. home, contact, about, privacy, terms and condition. You can add another page, blog. Now I will change this design. So how to do that? If you want to change your design, go to appearance, then themes. There are 3 themes in my dashboard. I can install a lots of theme in there. To add a new theme, click add new. There are lots of theme in WordPress repository. That means in WordPress.org, then themes. There are 5012 themes in there, and in my dashboard there are 5012 themes in there. All they are free from WordPress repository. You can install any of theme according to your needs, but I will install a theme outside of WordPress repository. I bought a theme from themeforest.net. Let's download that. My theme is downloaded. Now I will install that. To install a theme from outside of WordPress repository, click to upload theme. Choose files. In my download folder, this is my theme. Then install now. Installation process are done. Now click to active. If I visit my site, I will see there is a new look. It's not good enough yet, but don't worry, it will be looking good within next half hour. For now, let's install Require plugins. This theme is Require Elementor Page Builder plugins. Click to install plugins, Elementor Page Builder, Smart Make Core. I don't need others. I will install. So my site have right now one premium theme and with 3 plugins. All those plugins are totally free. Now I will create some post. Give me a few minutes, I will be back with few articles. In this time, I post 5 articles there. If I visit my site, I will see a great looking website. But this is not fair enough. Now let's customize the design. First of all, I will add a navigation menu at the top of my site in there. So I will hover to appearance, then click to menu. I'll create a new menu, primary nav, create. Then I will add some pages, home, about, blog, and contact. And I will choose the menu area, main menu, save and refresh the website. My menu is in there. If you click an article, you will see there is an ugly URL. Me and Google don't like this URL. So I will change this URL now. How to do that? To change to Google preferred URL, I will navigate to settings, then permalink. This will change all of my site permalink. Don't do this in your old site that has already Google rank. Just do that in a new website. If you change the URL, your previous Google rank will lost. I will click to post name, then save. If I refresh, this page is not found. If I back to my home page again and click to, I was in perfect vanilla pudding. Then you will see foodexcel.com/perfect vanilla pudding. This is pretty cool, right? Now let's customize this homepage. If you visit foodexcel.com, you will see there are 5 posts. I don't want to see like this. I want this to display in blog. If I click to blog, there is nothing. If I back to home, there is my article. I want to customize this area according to my needs, and I want this to go to blog. I can do that easily. Going to settings, then reading, your home page display. I will click a static page. I want a static page as my home page, and I will select a page. And for post, I will select blog. Now save changes. And if you back to your site, you will see there is nothing, but in blog all the posts are in there. So in my home page, I will customize it my needs. I will go to pages, edit my home page. There is option you see edit with Elementor. Elementor is a plugin that is very fantastic. This is best drag and drop page builder, and it's absolutely free, and it has a paid version also, but I'll show you using free plugin. To design with Elementor, you have to understand the basic thing. Trust me, it's pretty simple and easy. Let's show you. Click Edit with Elementor. In Elementor, all these are Elementor widget. In settings, first of all, I will change the page layout. I will change to Elementor full white, then update. In Elementor, there is a plus button. If you click this plus button, you will see a structure. You can choose any of these. Let's select this one. This is the area where I can edit. This is one column. But if I want another column in there, click right button, then add new column. There is two column. I can customize this column size like this. I can add as many as column I need. I can delete them also. Right button, click delete, right button, click delete, right button, click delete. Let's select two column structure. I want to add an image to this area and some text and a button in this area. So this will be pretty simple structure. Let's do that. To do that, I will click to Rubik's Cube icon and drag this image and put it in here. Now I will change this image. I can add any image. I'll choose this one and insert media. I can align this image as well. Again, I want to add some text in this area. To do that, I'll click to Rubik's Cube icon again and let's add a heading. Every widget has three options. Content, I can change content, and I can style content. For now, I will change text color to green. I can change any of these, or I can change from this color picker. In typography, I can change font size from saved font size, or in this area, I'll increase the font size to 35 and font weight will be 900. That's it. And in advanced, I can add some padding, margin, border, and much more. I'll show you that later. Now I will add some paragraph in there. To do that, I will click Rubik's Cube icon again and text editor and drag it to here. Again, I will style this font. Click to style, alignment, text color to secondary, and typography, edit here. Let's find a good font. And increase font size. I'll increase line height to. That's it. I will add another paragraph. I'll click and duplicate it, and I will reduce text here. Now I will add a button here. B-U-T-T. There is a button. Let's change text, explore more. We can style this button as well. Click to style, text color white, button background color. Color is green. You can add border radius. You can add padding, and after update, we will see like this. I want to add some margin top and bottom. How to do that? I'll click to this icon. This setting is for entire row, and I'll back to advanced and add margin 100 and bottom margin 100. I can reduce bottom margin to 50 and top margin to 100. If you refresh again, it's look good. Like this, I can design anything I want using Elementor. Let's create another row and add some post. Drag to posts. You can customize this area according to your needs. I'll update it here and back to site again. Look, this is my site article. So I believe you understand Elementor a little. Let's now design our final homepage. I'll delete all those. For now, let's choose some pre-made template. I'll click there and insert. I'll add another section. Then I'll add a heading. POPULRECIPPES. Now click to Smart Studio again and I will add some post. I like this one. Insert. If I save and refresh our homepage, it looks pretty cool, isn't it? Let's add some design to this popular recipe area. To do that, I will search block heading. I will remove previous text. Block heading, heading text. And view more and a hyperlink. I'll add a hyperlink to block and update. Look this design. Like this, I can add many things in this area. So let's design our final look. I will delete all those area and go to Smart Studio, and in homepage and layouts there are a few pre-made layout. I like this one. Click and insert, then update, and back to our site. Boom! How fantastic is this? This area don't look good. Let's see what is in this area. In this section, this is full white. We can box it. Let's refresh this again. Let's look better than before. My new post will be in this area. You can edit, customize any area according to your needs. This is absolutely a great website to look. As it is a food blog website, so we need to add recipe functionalities. How to do that? We have to install another plugin to do that. Let's go and do that. Navigate to plugins, then add new. There are lots of recipe plugins out there, but I analyzed few of them. I tested those myself and finally come to the end with a great recipe plugin, that is WP Delicious. I will install it, then active. I will configure this recipe plugins later, but right now I will skip to dashboard. Let's skip to dashboard. After installing these recipe plugins, you will see two new menu: delicious recipes to configure this recipe plugin and recipes to add new recipe. This plugin has pro version 2. If you come to pricing, they have personal, professional and agency license. If you scroll down, you will see difference between free and pro. At the end, you will see there is some feature only available in pro version. These are not mandatory features. If you think it's important for you, you can buy the premium version. Otherwise, free version is fair enough. Like equipments in recipe card, let me show you what is this. At the end of the recipe, this is equipment. You can add shopping option to your recipe, those equipment you used in your recipe, so people can interested to buy those and you will get profit. If you want to add equipment like this, then go for buy this recipe plugin. So it's all up to you. You can buy or you can use the free version. Let me show you how to add recipe. Click to all recipes. There will display your all recipes. When you will click to recipe, you can add a new recipe. You can add course, cuisines, cooking methods and many more. Let's add a new recipe. Click to add new. This will be my recipe title, recipe description, recipe keyword. Difficulty is for intermediate. Preparation time, at some time 30 minutes. Cooking time 10 minutes. Calorie for 120. Best season fall. Now let's add some ingredients. These are a recipe info. You can add ingredients there. Add in, give a title in ingredients. Add ingredients. 1 kilogram chicken. You can add many more ingredients there. Then procedure. Add instruction. You will select an image. Then give it a title. Add description like this. This is instruction 1 with image. This is instruction 2. This is instruction 3. This is instruction 4. You can add as many as instruction you want. Just click add instruction section and you will see another instruction there. Then you can add photo gallery, then nutrition fact like this. Then finally save and publish it. This is how easy to add recipes in food blog. I believe you can add text in your about area. Now let's create contact us page. To create a contact us page, We will back to dashboard. Go to plugins, search a plugins called contact. Let's install contact form by WP Forms. Activate. Now create our first form. Let's use a simple template for now. Set up it first. Then back to fields. This is enough for me. Let's save and embed it. Use the shortcode. Copy this shortcode. Close it. Go to pages and all pages. Edit contact us. SHU shortcode. Then paste it here and update. Now let's refresh this page. There is our contact page. This is how easy to build a food blog website using WordPress. Though, if you think it's hard or if you don't have much time to design, hire me to do that. You can hire me for free. I will give a link in video description to hire me for free. If you like this tutorial, hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.